Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda CRF250L. This is the ABS version. Only a hair over 1,000 miles on this awesome dual sport Honda, fuel injected, liquid cooled 250. She's got the hand guards. Bike is ready to go. Come on by. Make your dual sport lightweight dreams come true for just $54.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.